हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक विद अवर न्यू चैप्टर एही सुधीर, क्लास 8, चैप्टर 4, सब्जेक्ट संस्कृत। एही सुधीर, it means come Sudhir. Here one student asked his friend Sudhir to play with him. Here we can see a map. So you all know which country is this? Yes, this is our country, our India. That is, we can call Bharat Mata. Dear students, this is a poem written by Mr. Janardhan Hegde. In this chapter, the children are playing with his friend. They are making fun with playing, jumping, running. They are going to garden, making different garlands with beautiful flowers. They are talking about treasure of knowledge. Here the students are following their gurus, and finally they are talking about the life of welfare of the country serving Bharat Mata. So let us start our chapter Ehi Sudhir. Ehi Sudhir, Ehi Vikram, खेलांगणम गच्छामा, धावन कूर्दन चलनई खेलई वज्रकायताम विंदामा. Ehi, it means come. Sudhir and Suvikram are names. Khelanganam, Khelan plus Anganam, Gacham. Khelan, it means play. Angan, we all know that is ground. Dhavan, it means running. Kurdan, it means jumping. Chalnai, it means walking. Khelai means play. Vajrakaitam, the body like thunderbolt. Vindam, like. Ehi Sudhir, Ehi Suvikram, Khelanganam Gachama, Dhavan Kurdan Chalnai Khelai Vajrakayata Vindama. Come Sudhir, come Suvikram, go to the playground. By running, jumping, walking and playing, find a body like thunderbolt. एहि सुशीले एहि मृणालिनी पुष्पवाटिका गच्छामा, विविधै कुसुमै विधाय मालां विघ्न विनाशकं मर्चामा. So dear student, here kusumai vidhaya, this is sandhi, the separation kusumai plus vidhaya. Vighna vinashakam marcham, another sandhi is here, vighna vinashakam plus archamaha. So Ehi Sushile, now the girl's name, come Sushila, come Mrunalini, Pushpavatikam. Pushpavatikam, it means garden. Gachama, go. Vividhai, different. Kusumai, it means flower. Mala, it means garland. Vighna Vinashakam, we all know who is Vighna Vinashakam? Yes, Lord Ganesha. Archamaha, it means worship. So come Sushila, come Mrunalini, go to the flower garden, make different flowers, garlands and worship to the Lord Ganesha. Now Ehi Dinesha, Pranav Ganesh, Jnananidhim Sanchinyam, Ehi Sharade Girije Varde Jnanvaridau Vihiramaham. Again, come Dinesh, come Pranav, come Ganesh. Three friends, come, receive the treasure of knowledge. Gnan, it means knowledge. Nidhi, it means treasure, khajana. Sanchinam, it means receive. Receive the treasure of knowledge. Ehi Sharade Girije Varde, Come Sharada, Girija and Varda, Gnan Varidho Vihirama. Gnan, again knowledge. Varidho, this is the synonyms of Sagar, ocean. Vihiram, it means write. So we write in the ocean of knowledge. Ehi Dinesh Pranam Ganesh Gyan Nidhinam Sanchunam Ehi Sharde Girije Varde Gyan Varidho Vihiram. Receive the treasure of knowledge. Come Sharda, Girija and Varda, we ride in the ocean of knowledge. Now, Tanva Manasa Hintam Charantam Sada Gurun Anugacham Bharat Matu Seva Satkar Desh Hitartham Jivama. Dear student, Tanva, it means body. Manasa, it means mind. Hitam, it means beneficial. Bharat Matu, Sada, always. Guru, your teacher. Gurus, Anugacham, follow. Bharat Matu, the Bharat Mata. Seva Satkar, serving. Desh Hitartham, welfare of the country. Jivam, live. Okay, so now see again. Always Tanva Manasa Hitam Charantam Sada Gurun Anugacham. Always follow the Gurus by behaving beneficial with body and mind. Live for the welfare of the country, serving Bharat Mata. I hope you all understand very well. The writer of this chapter is Janardhan